Did you know that certain foods might actually help protect your brain from memory loss as you age? Imagine being able to keep your mind sharp and prevent Alzheimer's simply by making a few changes to your daily diet. Today, we're diving into the surprising power of food in brain health. If you're over 65, you might already have concerns about memory, and that's perfectly natural. But with the right foods, you could give your brain a significant boost. In this video, I'll reveal some of the top foods backed by research for supporting brain health and even show you how to incorporate them into your meals. So let's get into it, because it's never too late to start taking care of your brain. As we age, our bodies change, and so do our brains. Alzheimer's disease is one of the most common concerns for older adults, affecting memory, thinking, and daily function. While there's no guaranteed way to prevent it, research shows that diet can play a major role in keeping the brain healthy. Imagine the brain as a car. Just like a car needs high-quality fuel to run smoothly, our brains need proper nutrients to function well. Today, I'll be your guide to discovering which foods act like premium fuel for the brain, protecting it from decline and even enhancing memory. I'll break down each food's specific benefits, explain why they work, and share tips on how you can easily add them to your diet. No complicated recipes required. Let's start with berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries aren't just tasty, they're packed with antioxidants. Think of antioxidants as little bodyguards, protecting your brain cells from damage caused by aging. Studies have shown that older adults who regularly consume berries perform better on memory tests than those who don't. A study published by the American Chemical Society even found that eating blueberries could delay memory decline by as much as 2.5 years. So imagine adding a handful of berries to your breakfast each day. Over a year, that's about 365 servings of brain fuel. If each serving helps protect your brain just a little bit, the benefits could add up over time. Next up is leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli. These vegetables are rich in folate and vitamin K, both crucial for brain health. Folate, for example, helps reduce homocysteine, an amino acid linked to cognitive decline in Alzheimer's when it builds up in the blood. Just 1 cup of raw spinach has over 50% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin K. Studies show that people who eat at least 1 serving of leafy greens daily have slower cognitive decline than those who don't. Imagine this. If you add a side of spinach salad to your dinner 3 times a week, you're giving your brain some extra nutrients it needs to stay sharp. Another excellent brain food is walnuts. Nuts, especially walnuts, are high in healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamin E. Just a small handful of walnuts provides about 2.5 grams of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that's linked to improved brain function. Think of omega-3s as the lubricant for your brain's engine, keeping everything running smoothly. In fact, research shows that people who consume a diet rich in omega-3s have better memory recall and cognitive abilities. Try keeping a jar of walnuts nearby and have a handful as a snack a few times a week. It's an easy way to add brain-boosting nutrients to your routine. Moving on, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are some of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA. DHA makes up about 25% of the fat in our brains and is essential for maintaining brain structure and function. A diet low in DHA has been linked to memory loss and reduced cognitive function. Let's look at an example. If you eat 2 servings of fatty fish per week, that's about 100 servings a year. Studies show that people who consume fish regularly have nearly 20% lower rates of cognitive decline than those who don't. So by simply adding salmon to your meal plan once or twice a week, you're making a big investment in your long-term brain health. Turmeric is another powerful food for brain health, particularly because of curcumin, its active compound. Curcumin is a strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that can cross the blood-brain barrier, protecting brain cells from inflammation and possibly reducing the buildup of amyloid plaques, which are strongly associated with Alzheimer's. In regions where turmeric is widely used, such as parts of India, rates of Alzheimer's are significantly lower than in the West. Try adding a pinch of turmeric to your meals or even make a warm turmeric tea. Small, consistent amounts can make a difference over time. Lastly, dark chocolate is not just a treat, it's also good for your brain. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, which increase blood flow to the brain and improve memory. Studies have shown that people who consume dark chocolate regularly perform better on memory and focus tests than those who don't. So consider adding a small piece of dark chocolate to your diet, but stick to high-quality chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content to maximize benefits. So, what are your thoughts on these brain-boosting foods? Have you already tried any of them, or are you interested in adding them to your diet? Let me know in the comments. Taking care of your brain doesn't have to be complicated. Small, consistent choices like these can help protect your memory and support cognitive function over the long term. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips. And of course, subscribe for more health insights tailored just for you. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier, sharper brain.